thunder. Wait, guys. There'll be a thunderstorm. I heard lightning, bro. Giovanni, do you hear lightning?
Yeah, I heard it.
Don't hit the lightning. We have to get back there. We have to evacuate. We have to evacuate. After the video, I'm going to do it. We have to evacuate. We need to check this thunder.
Savvy, you're here, Savvy, I'll do it.
We have to evacuate. We need to hear the thunderstorm. Oh, come on. Alright, I can't do it. I'll let you know if I hear a thunderstorm. Bye.